Nia, you know where Reema is, no?
No, where she went?
Reema and Arvind are on their way to Hampi.
Oh, finally. I know she tried to go somewhere else and that got
Yeah, it was raining. So, yeah, I love my brother and sister, but one is in France and the other one is on their way to Hampi. So I'm disregarding their existence today.
Arvind's birthday is on 10th.
And
Good.
yeah. All right, settle down. Look at a point in front of you. Let's condition ourselves to enjoy this session with grace and happiness. Close your eyes, hands on the sternum. Take a nice long deep breath in and release. Let's say our Om. Take a deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Then enjoy the calm. Slowly and gently open your eyes and let's stand up for some warm up. All right. Shake your hands and legs. Shake your hands and legs. Let's do a little bit of jogging. Little bit of jogging. Go at something red. And come back. Keep jogging. All right. Pick your leg and touch your toe and pull it down. Now go and sit over there. A little bit of twisting. Twisting. All right, slowly bend forward and touch your toes. Now shake your hands over there. Shake it. Come back. Go and touch something black. All right. Keep jogging. Now put one leg up. Balance and release. Put your other leg up. Balance and release. That was nice. Still take your leg back. And release. Take your left leg back. And release. Now go try something purple in color. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make one of the funniest faces you can. All of us. Some sound should come. Now let's laugh. Everyone laugh. Clap your hands. Good. Let's start. Okay. Settle down. Take deep breath. Let's do Talasana 4. Open your feet 1 foot distance. Take a nice long deep breath in and out. Pull your shoulders back. Straight but not stiff. Put your right hand up, the left hand below, touching your torso. Take a deep breath in and go up. Pull your legs up on your toes. Pull your spine up. Look in front. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hand outwards and backward rotation. Bring it down. Take your left hand above your right hand, touching the torso. Take a deep breath in. Take your hands up. Pull yourself up as much as you can. Look at a point in front of you. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and do the backward rotation. Bring it down. Open your leg to 2.5 feet. Let's do 1 and 2. So take your right hand on your waist. Look to the left. Take a deep breath in and bend down. Only take your upper body. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Hand down, face in front. Take your left hand on your hip. Look to the right side. Bend down. Let your left hand go towards your armpit. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up and look in front. Take your right hand above your head. Take a deep breath in and bend to the left, looking in front. Take only your upper body, not your waist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hand up, pull it up slightly, turn it and bring it down. Take your left hand above your head. Take a deep breath in and bend towards the right, looking in front. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hand back up, slightly up, turn and bring it down. Hi Cecil, welcome. Shake your hands and legs. Shake your hands and legs. All right, we are going to do the sequence now. I will guide you. It is not I've done all the poses, but take it with me, okay? Open your legs to 3.5 feet. Open your right foot. Bend your right leg to 90 degrees. Adjust your left leg so your toes are pointing a little inwards. Open your hands to warrior 2. Take a deep breath in and out. I'll count. 3, 2, 1. Take the right hand on your right thigh. Left hand above your head and look in front side. That is. Stay there. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly take your left hand in front of your right leg. Right hand up so you twist your body and look up. 3, 2, 1. Now take your right hand down near your leg. So your leg is between both your hands. Adjust your back leg to be straight and take your right leg back to a mountain. Take your knees up and down. Go down on your knees into table. Stay there, breathing normally. Now bring your right leg back in between both your hands. Tuck your left leg in and come back to warrior 2. Keep looking at your hand. Bring your left hand in front to your right hand, doing a namaste. Take it above your head and look up at your hand. Slowly bring your left leg towards your right leg and stand straight. Lift your hands up a little, turn it outwards, and from the side, bring it down. Take a nice deep breath in and out. All right, let's do it with the left leg. Open your legs to 3.5 feet. Open your left foot. Bend your left leg to 90 degrees. Adjust your right leg toes a little bit. Open your hands in line with your shoulders. Look at your fingertips. 3, 2, 1. Left hand on your left thigh, hand above your head, looking straight. Stay there. Slowly take your right hand down in front of your left leg. Open your left hand up and stay. 3, 2, 1. Take your right hand down so your leg is between both your hands. Adjust your right leg to be straight. Push your hands and take your left leg back into mountain. Click up and down. Go into table. Stay there. Bring your left leg in between your hands. Tuck your toes in. With the help of your hands, come back to warrior 2. And straight line. Bring your right hand next to your left hand into your namaste. Take out your head. Looking at your hands. Slowly bring your right leg in front. Put your hands a little bit up. Turn it outwards and from the side, bring it down. Take a deep breath in and go around. Take a deep breath in and move around. We are going to do the static Surya. So if we're using the speaker, it might not be right.
Okay. Can everyone hear Amma clearly?
Yeah, it becomes a little soft, I think.
That is
But
Amma.
I can follow. I don't know about everyone else.
All right.
Bua, is it comfortable?
It's coming in waves.
Oh, okay.
1 second.
Cecil Bua, what's happening?
Yeah.
All right, but
Okay.
now we are
Try
going
now. This should be better.
Okay.
Annette, talk.
Hi.
You sound very sexy now.
Hi.
All right. Come on the top of your mat. We are doing the static Surya Namaskar. Join your hands in front of you, back straight. Look at a point in front of you, conditioning ourselves to do our Surya Namaskar. Take a deep breath in and out. Body straight but not stiff. Take your hands above your head. First breathing in and then breathing normally. Look up. Feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your hands very gently, tightening your thighs. Bring your hands down and go right down to your feet. Once you're there, you can hold your legs if you want, or leave the hands beside you. If you want to touch down, you can bend your knees a bit. Relax. Take your head as much in as you can. Now breathe normally. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground by bending your feet if you want. Take your right leg as much back as you can. Either keep it straight or put it to the ground. Look in front. Check your left leg is at 90 degrees. Shoulders back. Look at a point in front of you and keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground and take your left leg back into mountain. See that your heels are touching the floor and push your hip up. Push your hip as much as you can. If you push your heels into the floor and push your hip up, you will get the stretch. Again, breathe normally here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put your knees on the ground, take your body a little forward and go into Ashtanga. Here it is suspension of breath, but we now breathe normally. Connecting with the parts of our body that is touching the floor. The 8 parts of our body touching the floor. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your legs back and come into Bhujanga. You can put pressure on your hands if you want. Look in front of you or up. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes in. Push your hands and go back into mountain. Try to push your heels into the ground, pulling your hips up. Feel the stretch in the spine and behind your legs. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg in between your hands. Either your leg straight or left leg down. Look at a point in front of you. Pull your shoulders back. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground. Bring your left leg next to your right leg. Put your head towards your knee. If you bend your legs a little, if you want, please do it, or you can keep it straight. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back up, pick your thighs, tighten everything and bring your hands up. Going into Hasta Uttanasana, take your hands above your head, bend backwards, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. one. Slowly bring your hand into Namaskar Mudra in front of you very gently. Relax your whole body. Take long deep breaths in and out. Again, raise your hands up. Hasta Uttanasana. Bend back. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly tightening all your thighs and knees. Bring your hands very gently forward, looking at your hands as you go down. Go down into Padahasta Asana. Hold whichever part of the leg you want, or keep your hands beside your leg. You can bend your legs for comfort. And then stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground if you want. Bend your knees a little. Take your left leg as far back as possible. Either keep it straight or bend it down, looking in front of you, keeping your shoulders back. In every posture, once you reach the posture, relax in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground. Take your right leg back into mountain. Push your heels into the ground, pulling your hips up as much as you can. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put your knees on the ground. Take your body a little forward and go into Ashtanga. And now breathe normally and connect with the 8 parts of the body that are touching the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your legs backwards and come into Bhuja. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground and come into mountain. Pushing your heels into the ground, picking your hip up as much as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left leg between your hands. You can keep your leg down, right leg down, or keep it straight. Shoulders back, look at a point in front of you and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push your hands in and bring your right leg next to your left leg. Bend as much as you can. If you want, bend your knees a little, hands wherever down or holding your legs. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hands in parallel to each other now. Tighten your thighs, tighten your buttocks, Tighten your full leg. Now slowly take your hands very gently up into Hasta Uttanasana. Bend backwards. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your hands into Namaskar Mudra very gently. Keep it in front of you. Close your eyes if you can. And enjoy our breathing. Relax your whole body. Take good deep breaths in and out. Slowly release your hands and open your legs a little bit for comfort. Keep standing. Take your one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Close your eyes and stay there, relaxing every part of your body. Slowly release the posture and sit on your mats. Take a long deep breath in and out. Let's do Parvatasana. Open your hands on either side of you. Take a deep breath in and take your hands above your head into a namaste. Don't interlock your fingers. Pull your spine up. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and from the side, bring it down. We'll do this once more. Open your hands on either side of you. Take it up above your head into a namaste. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly turn your hand outwards and from the side, bring it down. Open your legs and just relax. Hands at the back, head up or in front. Shake your legs, shake your hands if you want, and relax. Bring your legs together. Sit straight. Hands on either side of you. Palms, fingers facing front, elbows at the back. Take a deep breath in and bend a little back. While breathing out, take your hands in front and go down towards your toes. Hold whichever part of the leg you can. Then release your shoulders, your elbows and your head. Bend as much as you can. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, push forward. Take another deep breath in. While breathing out, push forward. Last time, breathe in, push forward. Now breathe normally, relaxing the stomach muscles. See that your knees are locked. Elbows and shoulders loose. Head down. Feel the spine. Stretching of the spine. Breathe normally. Slowly release your hands and come back into the first position. And release. Alright, let's do the counter. Hands behind you. Either fingers pointing back or fingers pointing in front, whichever is comfortable. Take a deep breath in and pull your body up. Trying to take your toes towards the floor. Take your head at the back. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath in and out. Once more, take your body up while breathing in. Try to take your toes towards the floor. Feel the stretching in your arms. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. And relax. Shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands. All right, get into table. Take a deep breath in and out. Open your hands wide open. All your fingers wide open. Legs, knees in line with your hips, in line with your hands. Take your right hand up and left leg up. Look in front. And release. Left hand, right leg. And release. Right hand, left leg. And release. Left hand, right leg. And release. Stay there. Take your right hand under your left hand into needle and thread. Put your head down and enjoy. Keep breathing. Slowly come back into table. Take a deep breath in and out. Take your left hand under your right hand into needle and thread. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. Slowly release and sit in child. All right, lie down on your stomach. Relax for a second or two. Bring your hands in front of you for Superman. Bring your hands in front of you. Feet together, toes pointing backwards. Forehead on the ground. Now take a deep breath in and take your hands up and legs up. Lock your knees. Point your toes backwards. Keep breathing. Take your hands to the side in plane. Keep breathing. Take your hands at the back into bird. Keep breathing. Take your hands to the side in aeroplane. Take it in front in Superman and go down. Forehead on the ground. Relax. Let's do it once more. Forehead on the ground. Take your hands up and your legs up. Lock your knees. Pull your toes backwards. Superman. Keep breathing. Take it to the side. Aeroplane. Take it to the back. Bird. Palms facing the ceiling. Take it back to the side. Aeroplane. Take it in front. Superman. And release. And relax. Slowly turn onto your backs. First relax. Check your hands and legs. Take your belt. Cecil, have you got your belt, Cecil? Everyone's got their belt. Okay. Put your belt in your right foot. And slowly bring your right leg up towards your face. Bring the toes, pull the toes towards, flex the toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Try to keep your left leg on the ground initially. Now straighten your knee again. Shoulders on the ground. Relaxed. Pull your leg as much as you can. Feel the stretch. Go to only the yellow zone. Now take your right leg to the right side. Very gently without bending your knees. Feel the stretch in the inner thigh. Go down only as much as you can. Keeping both the shoulders on the floor. Lock your knee. Pull your toes towards your face. Feeling the stretch. Keep breathing. Slowly bring it back up to the middle. Pull it towards you. And flex your toes towards your face. Now take your right leg to the left side. Again, keeping your knee locked. Shoulders on the ground. Knees locked. Bring the toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Stay there, breathing normally. Slowly come back up. Pull it towards you. Again, go to the right. Pull the toes towards your face. Shoulders on the ground. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly take it back up. Pull it towards you. Now go back to the left. Shoulders on the ground. Flex your toes. Every time you forget, flex it, you will feel the stretch more. Slowly come back to the top. Pull your leg towards your face. Pull your toes. Tighten your knee. And slowly release your leg. And relax. Put it in the other foot. Take a deep breath in and out first. Pull your left leg up towards you. Straighten your knee and pull your toes towards your face. Take your left leg towards the left side without bending your knee. Again, pull your toes towards your face. You can feel a better stretch. Shoulders on the ground. Straighten your knee. Slowly bring it back to the top. Pull it towards you. Toes towards your face. Take your right leg to the left leg to the right side. Shoulders on the floor. Knee locked. Toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Bring it back to the top. Pull it towards you. Take it back to the left. Lock your knee. Bring the toe towards your face. Feel the stretch. Shoulders on the ground. Come back to the top. Pull it towards you. Take it to the right. Slowly bring it back to the top. Pull it a little more. Toes towards your face. And release. Take a deep breath in and out. A deep breath in and out. Now fold your legs into Sukhasana pose. Come on your elbows and bend your head back, pulling your spine up and relaxing in the pose. Slowly release and lie down in Shavasana. Relax your whole body. Alright, before we relax, bring your legs together, hands together. Pick your legs up like a child. Take your hands up. And now you will laugh, cry, and shake your hands and legs and head. Keep going. And if you want, you can say, ah, shake your head, shake your hands, shake your legs, shake your body. Come on. Shake faster, 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 faster. Come on, come on. You can do this. Shake, 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 shake. And then now relax. And release every tension in your body. Just let go. Let everything drain away. Releasing your body. Take long deep breath in and release it. And now be totally still in your Shavasana with your mind on your breath. Every time it wavers, come back to the breath. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Right hand above your head. Bend your left leg. Left hand on the stomach, turn to the right. Rest over there on your hand. Legs bent for comfort. Take a nice deep breath and then say ha. Take a deep breath in. Ha. Another deep breath in. Ha. Loudly once more. Take a deep breath in. Ha. And stay there. We are in Dradasana. Relaxation pose. Slowly and gently with the help of your left hand, very gracefully, without any jerky movements, come into sitting meditative position. Sit straight, hands on your knees. We'll just do breathe in, breathe out as if we are breathing with our hands on our knees only, keeping your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in from your left and release from your right. In from your right and release from the left. In from the left and release from the right. In from the right and release from the left. In from the left and release from the right. In from the right and release from the left. And relax. Slowly rub your hands. Create some heat. Cup your face, but not your eyes. Spread the heat all over your body. Open your arms. Hug yourself. I love me. Open your arms again. And this is a hug for everybody. We take everybody and hug again. And then join your hands. Namaste. Thank you, God, for this opportunity to do yoga together.
Namaste.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Annette.
Thank you.
Very awesome.
Cecil Bua, what happened? Your internet
I
was
stopped here, Annette, today.
Huh?
I couldn't hear most of your.
Oh, God.
And no, added to that, my name is inside with the mixer, trying and kach kuch. So
But it was, you could recognize what we are doing and all that.
yeah. So they had to turn. No, it was good. It's just that it was soft. A little closer
Fine.
to-
Cecil?
Cecil Bua can't hear us over.
Cecil, were you fine? Oh,
She can't hear us, I think.
And here in the middle also, she got up late also. From the
She's not connected to audio only,
Cecil,
She's
you're
only-
not
to video. She won't be able to hear us also.
okay.
So,
How is everyone doing? Everyone is fine otherwise?
Annette,
Huh?
when you told us to hug everyone, is just the yoga group or outsiders also?
Modi.
Exactly. I don't want.
I didn't even think. I only thought of all us who are here, but you can think of whomever you want.
on Amazon Prime or one of those or Hotstar, there is a series called Yoga with Modi, and they have done this animated person who looks exactly like Modi, and he's doing all these Surya Namaskars and all the poses. It's in English, huh? And it's ridiculous. I don't know how. And then there's a sitting pose of him. It's him and the whole yoga series yesterday. I was like, oh God, I can't.
I'll not even look at it.
Yeah, but imagine they made that. So
Yeah, I saw many have shared
Yeah?
yoga with Modi. Yeah, but
I just happened to see it and I was like, what is this? It can't be Modi, right? I thought it must be somebody else. But then we started to watch it and it was actually,
someone else.
it was him. It's Modi, exactly. Like with the beard and all. It just animated him and then
Oh,
go through all the poses. It's ridiculous.
Do you know that they are teaching a story in Gujarat in the schools about him as Bal Gangadhar Modi, where he was a small boy. You know that story?
no.
He used to walk to school. Okay, and he used to pass a little river or lake or whatever, and in that there were crocodiles. Okay, so and that guy, the stand-up comedian, showed us the book. Anil Grover, the book.
We believe you still. We believe you.
Sometimes